covering the Earth with layer. It's the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the Earth's blanket, from troposphere to exosphere. The atmosphere protects us like a shield. Troposphere is the lowest layer. Stratosphere is where airplanes fly. Mesosphere protects us from the sky object. Thermosphere creates ions. Exosphere air is quite thin. The ozone is between troposphere and stratosphere. It protects us from dangerous UV rays, but it's getting damaged. The ozone is suffering. We have to protect the ozone. We can start by spreading awareness from your phone. Stop burning down things and start planting.
The Earth atmosphere, layer into a layer, protect the Earth's surface. The way to the stratosphere through the troposphere. Made out from the air and gases, the sun makes the Earth warm until form gases and water vapor. The layer composed based on temperature. The troposphere. Troposphere is the first layer, where rain comes down here, made by water, aerosol, and vapor. The exosphere, surrounding a planet and a natural satellite. It's as burning as the sun in the broad daylight.
Earth atmosphere, known as a gas that surrounds the Earth, may have some layers which you may have not known. Atmosphere has 5 layers. Each of them are based off the temperatures. They are as clear as the wind. First comes the troposphere. It has cloud as you can see. Stratosphere is most likely the same. Mesosphere is a spot that got hot like a steaming pot. It can burn and protect us from meteors. The radiation echoed from thermosphere, a cause of creating ions. And last but not least, exosphere. It is as thin as the paper and the most furthest.
Layers, as a cake. The Earth has layered atmosphere are not a mistake. Wonderful atmosphere and have their own function. Life will be found. Troposphere, the lowest layer of Earth atmosphere. There are fullest white clouds as the cotton candies. A breeze sweeps through the cloud. Second layer is stratosphere. Here we come, planets fly. No bases are further and fears something. Has ozone to filter the solar radiation. Meteor that falls from mesosphere to surface of the Earth appears as star with a tail to protect Earth from the false meteor. High up, where the air is rarefied. Layer below mesosphere and over the exosphere. Skin burn is a hot thermosphere. Here is hot and unguarded, waterless, dustless, undecayed, and weatherless. Long traveling caress. Lastly, there is exosphere, emptiness above the world. Sunlight reflected by meteoric dust particle.
Protecting us from sky objects, crushing them to every specks, burning them to ashes. That's the atmosphere job. The atmosphere is really important to us. It's a shield that protects Earth and its content.
With its thick layers and strong layers, it will destroy anything that comes to Earth. Troposphere, the one that produced the cloud. Stratosphere, that protect us from the sun UV. Mesosphere, the coldest layer of all. Thermosphere, protect us from the radiation all day. Exosphere, defends us from the sun rays. But now, the atmosphere is getting thinner, it's getting weaker, and warmth blanketed area, and disasters happening all around. The Earth is suffering. The Earth is now as hot as the Sahara Desert, and all the ice islands start melting. Crack! One by one, all the ice breaks, and island shakes, and the Earth needs help.